Hello guys, welcome to African World Traveler. We are live in Manchester Airport. It was not a long journey, not a long trip. It was alright. A bit of obstacles. We missed the first train, but we still made it with the second train. And now we're here in Manchester Airport. Now we're gonna go and find our gate. Alright. We're gonna find our gate where we're heading. So watch out and see the next destination. Stay tuned. Let's go. I started the journey with myself. Now I'm with your brother here. Say hi.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hello.
So I got a company on my flight now, so I'm not alone. Not alone, I got another soldier with me.
You're not alone.
So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna show you a bit of a duty free, and then we're gonna find our gates. Then let's go. So guys, that's the duty free, guys. Duty free. If you wanna buy some gifts, some goodies to the loved ones, wanna smell fresh for the ladies. So it's all here, guys. But I think we smell good already, so we don't need to top it up or anything, so it's all good. So that's the liquor site on the right. There's a lot of options in here, guys. A lot of options, but I'm all set, I'm all good. I don't need to get anything else. So let's fly. Oh, copyright. See guys, you say Max Embrace Race and Ethnicity College resource group and presence. Oh, we gotta embrace our race, guys. Reclaiming narratives, pioneers of expression. Wow. Naomi Campbell, Oswald, Botane. Oh, okay. Right. And Marcus Rashford is there as well. Wow. It's good. Keep the good job. Keep it up. Yeah, Black History Month. Okay. Let's get that going. Let's keep it going. Let's go.
This is a passenger announcement. Naya Al-Mahdi. That's Naya Al-Mahdi. Please return to security. Thank you. This is a passenger announcement. Neil Humphreys. That's passenger announcement. Nigel Humphreys. That's Nigel Humphreys. Please return to security. Thank you.
So sorry you're not able to go away. I would just can't fly.
Oh yeah, I need that. Forgot.
Sun Express flight XQ595 to Antalya. Final call for all remaining passengers to go immediately to gate A4.
Antalya'ya giden XQ595 sefer sayılı Sun Express uçağı geriye kalan yolcular için son çağrı. Hemen A4 numaralı kapıya gidiniz.
Guys, we are here in Manchester Airport, so we are waiting for our gates to open. So gates not open till after 12, so It's not midday yet, it's not 12, so we are waiting. Relax, he says, relax. So we are relaxing. I'm a bit sleepy. I've not slept well last night. You know that feeling when you're traveling and you're thinking, you set your alarm and you're there thinking, oh, is my alarm on? Am I gonna wake up? But it was a bit of a little stress, but yeah, it's all good. We're here now. So first of all, I missed my train, not my first train. So the first Uber would have taken 19 minutes. 19 minutes. I think Uber to let people know how long or the waiting time before confirming the booking. But Uber app you wouldn't know till it confirmed. So when I confirmed, it was 19 minutes, and I've only got like 15 minutes to get to Blackpool North for my train, which is like 8:55. So I thought it's smart, and the driver, then I rang C-Cab. C-Cab came and got me. So I explained the situation to the C-Cab driver. Say it's better to go in Leighton. So obviously Leighton, sometimes the train stops there. But I think it's an early train. So this one is a fast train. It didn't stop. So we thought, I'll be safe when I get to Leighton. Damn, the train just came and passed me. Woo, with a full speed, man. And now with Uber, which is like $6.99, so that's gone in a drain, and now for something as well on top of it. So the worst thing is to go through the stairs, the flyover, the stairs with my suitcase and that, which is weighing almost 20 kg plus, and plus my hand luggage there, which is another 10 kg. So I have to cross on the flyover steps and that, cross over, and then book another Uber. That's another £6.96. It's another £6.96. So, but luckily the other train is like $9.25. So I went over. I spoke to the man in the customer service desk. He said it's fine. Just go and then speak to the conductor on the train. It should be fine. Because I booked my train ticket online, train palm. So the later on is all smooth. Save me from paying another train ticket. But here, we're here now, still on time and waiting. So still, we're good. We went through security check, all good. So now we're waiting for the gates to open. And then let's fly, guys. Let's fly. And then you'll see me the next place, guys. I won't tell you yet. I won't reveal where we're flying to. But stay tuned. So you will see when I land in the other end. Okay? But for now, enjoy the rest in Manchester Airport whilst we wait for the gate. Stay tuned, guys. See you guys in a bit. Guys, it's really hard with this music on the backgrounds. I hope I won't get done for copyright. You know how it's like. YouTube don't allow any music, and especially copyright, and all that. I think we should be allowed, like if you're recording, like if anything's playing in the background, it's not like you the one that picked that song or that music. So it's just something that is playing actually in the surrounding, in the background. It should be let off, about that. But it is what it is. I would love to go live.
Attention, this is a passenger announcement. Will Sarah Gujiki return to Costa Coffee to claim a lost item?
A lost property. Don't forget your property behind, guys. Your lucky has been found. It's been handed in Costa Coffee. Lucky for you. I should have charged my phone for a bit, but anyway, I think we should be fine. I think we should be fine. But yeah, wish me luck, guys. Wish me a smooth journey, guys. A smooth journey.
This is a passenger announcement. Would Sarah Fujiki return to Costa Coffee to reclaim a lost item?
We just like. Alright guys, this is what we got for you for now, so stay tuned, there'll be more contents coming in the other side, so take care guys, we shall see you soon, bye.